Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Moments with Maurice. All right, today I want to show y'all how I do my roof inspections. So most of y'all know I have a roofing company, well, everything company, but we specialize in roofing. So if you need some roofing work done, feel free to give me a call at 919-972-9625. Or if you need any type of home improvement projects done, feel free to give me a call. I don't know what that was flying around. That's crazy. But today I'm pull up to a potential customer's house and I'm going to be doing an inspection. And I'm going to be doing an inspection with my drone, right? I don't mind getting up on the roof, but as of recently, I've decided just to go drone only, just because there's been so many different changes in the insurance world, right? Where I have done drone inspections, never been up on the roof, and the adjuster will get there, and instead of paying for the person's roof because they have legit damage, they will say, oh, it looks like it's man-made or it was created by whoever went up there. And I'll be thinking like, well, you can check these drone pictures out because I didn't go up there. And so I personally decided to, if I don't need to do drone inspections. So I just kind of wanted to walk you through what I do with my drone inspection, or how I do a roof inspection without me having to pull a ladder out and climb up there and look myself. Now, is that beneficial? Sometimes yeah, sometimes no, because it is nicer to have your eyes on the shingles, be up there on the roof. But I don't got time for these games that these guys be playing. Besides, I operate in integrity anyways, so it is what it is. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. Now, I have known to do an inspection and they didn't have any damage, and then, you know, a month later they were getting a new roof. That's none of my business. But that's just, you know, the name of the game. I'd rather operate in integrity and do what's right and honorable, and so I can sleep well at night, versus doing some of the stuff that I know that these roofing companies do. So just follow along with me and you'll see how I do a drone inspection. So first, even though I'm doing a drone inspection, I always do a walk around the house just to see if I can visually see any things I want to make sure that I get pictures of as I'm flying the drone. So sometimes you can't see everything from the ground. So that's what the drone is for. So I'm usually checking every angle of the house just to see what I can visually see. This house is high, and so I may not be able to see much from the ground, but I just try to do what I can do. So I've dotted all my I's and crossed all my T's, and so far now I know what I'm going to be looking for, a couple things, because I can see a couple lifted shingles up there, damaged shingles up there. I don't know if you can see it from here, but damage right there. There's some lifted right there, and that's just the obvious. So if you walk up there, and the reason why I'm here is because this homeowner had pipe boots that were leaking. I think it was that one that was absolutely leaking. And if you have pipe boots that are leaking, if you're gonna replace one, you might as well replace all of them. So that's how I got here. Now that I've seen some visual damage from the ground, I kind of know, you know, where to make sure that I have good pictures for the homeowner to see. So what I do is I do share my pictures with the homeowner. I know some companies are like, you know, if they're not gonna go with me, I'm not gonna share the pictures. Man, for me, it is what it is. I am who I am. If it's for me, it's for me. I don't do all the little crazy stuff, you know, depending on how the homeowner treats me or how they go about it, because I'm blessed. So the drone I use is the DJI Mav Air 2. I've had this drone for about 3 years now, probably 3 years now. And it definitely saves my knees from having to get on the roof. I will do a review on this drone specifically. I can say this is one-on-one, or at least my controller is one-on-one, because ain't nobody got the gold drone controllers. Ain't nobody got the gold drone controllers like me. All right, so if you want to get with a real company or use a real company that has gold controllers, and you need to feel free to call M3 Roofing and Services. Okay. So after using the drone to inspect the roof, it's clear that she's already had somebody able to inspect it. But I digress. At least you got to see how I inspected the roof with my drone. So ultimately, I did inspect the roof. Have not heard anything back from the homeowner. That's business sometimes. It looked like somebody had already been up there and inspected it and marked it up. Once again, some of the stuff you see up there is interesting. But that's neither here nor there. But that is how I do inspections with my drone when I'm called out for a roof inspection. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, share. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you need a roof inspection, I gave you my number earlier in the video. I'd love to help you. Y'all have a great day. Bye.